Hi, I'm Ken.Cooper with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to share with you this 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 29VE. It's the one with the tailgate package. We're going to slip inside and take a peek. 29-foot motorhome with a lot of livability here. We have the full wall slide here. That's what gives it this feeling of spaciousness. Notice we have a full-length sofa here and directly across dinette. Midship TV set there. Another nice touch here, pull-out pantry right there. Another thing I like about this coach, we've got a lot of counter space here, dual stainless steel sinks, lots of kitchen storage here, all over the place, lots of drawers, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven up above, LP microwave, LP oven down below. This coach features the double-door gas electric refrigerator. This is the coach command center right here. So I've got my monitor panel, HVAC system, inverter control, slide-out control, all in one convenient location. In the lab area here, notice the size of that shower and take a peek at the amount of storage that we have up in these areas. A lot of counter space there as well. Nicely done, dedicated heat and air conditioning to this room. More pantry right there, lots of it. And wardrobe, just a tremendous amount there. And no less than 6 drawers down below. This coach is equipped with the TV set as well. Queen walk-around bed, storage on both sides of the bed right here, along with a generous amount of storage up above. Now the bed does lift up, and of course there's storage down below. And that is the ladder that allows you to that loft bunk. We're going to move forward. This coach is powered by the Ford V10. Wonderful engine. It has the 6-speed transmission. Leveling system, backup monitor. Both these seats do swivel. And notice that we have a workstation right here. I like how this backup monitor is kind of canted towards the pilot. Additionally, both seats do swivel. We've got electrically heated remote control mirrors as well. And of course, this is his power loft bed, just a touch of a button and it goes right down for you. On the exit right here, notice this convenient storage location here. Good for shoes, that sort of stuff right there. One of the impressive things about this motorhome is the amount of exterior cargo space we have. As you can see, that's pass-through storage there. This coach comes with the barbecue. There's the barbecue right there and the stand for it. Generous amount of storage right here as well. There's that inverter right there, such that we can plug in an extension cord, open this up and drop it out the bottom, close that door. This coach is equipped with the exterior entertainment center here. This TV set is articulated, and notice that we have speakers on both sides. More storage in this area, and indeed that is pass-through as well. This is part of this tailgate package I had talked to you about. We've got pull-out drawers right there, sink, 110 refrigerator, more storage right there. This is actually an ice chest right here. Notice that we can close these compartments off, and this is illuminated as well. 110 receptacle there, more storage in this area. Right on the back is the LP hookup here for that barbecuer. Notice the location of the furnace. It's in the back of the coach where you don't hear it and smell it. This coach is already equipped with the receiver hitch, capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds. Ladder to get topside clean and inspect that roof. This coach is powered with the 4 kW Onan generator, ample power for the coach. Look at the amount of space we have there for that shoreline. Certainly easy to stow it. 80-gallon fuel tank right there. More storage here. They've done really a nice job with this dump station here. Notice how the plumbing is color-coded here. Easy access to all the valves. This compartment's illuminated. I can turn on my water pump switch right there. More storage in this area. And up front, the LP tank is mounted to the frame. There's the hydraulic reservoir for the hydraulic leveling system. Brand new 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 29VE. If you'd like to know more about this motorhome, my name's Ken.Cooper. You can reach me at that toll-free phone number below. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to hear from you soon.